Good morning, students. Up to last class, we have discussed characteristics of the chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction, gas may be evolved. There may be change in the color. There may be change in physical state. It may be physical state of the reactant may be differ from the physical state of the products. Next one, in case of in a chemical reaction, heat may be evolved or absorbed. If heat is required to perform an reaction known as endothermic reaction, heat is evolved during a chemical reaction known as exothermic reactions. And during some of the chemical reaction, an insoluble product may be formed, and this insoluble product is known as precipitate, and such kind of chemical reactions are known as precipitation. Now today we are going to discuss types of chemical reaction. So types of chemical reactions are of five types basically. Number one, addition reaction. Addition reaction also known as chemical combination reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction or chemical decomposition. Third one, displacement reaction. Displacement, single displacement or maybe double displacement. And last one, oxidation and reduction reaction. So we will study one by one. Types of chemical reaction. Green plants perform photosynthesis to prepare their food. Rusting of iron, combustion of various materials. So photosynthesis, rusting, combustion, these are chemical reactions. In a chemical reaction, there is a process in which a set of chemical substances called reactants change to another set of chemical substances called products. The change of the reactant into product is called chemical reaction. Now look, different types of chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, that we will learn in next chapter. Next one, combustion reaction. Combustion reaction we will learn in next class. Now look, combination reaction. Combination reaction also known as chemical combination reaction, in which two or more substances react to one another and form a single molecule, single product. For example, hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine react to form hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. Second, decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, it is opposite to the chemical combination reaction. In this, a large molecule broken down into two simple molecules. For example, calcium carbonate. When we heat the calcium carbonate, it broken down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now, single displacement reaction, a reaction in which a more reactive element displaced to another less reactive element from its salt or compound. Such kind of reaction known as single displacement reaction. Iron plus copper sulfate. Iron is more reactive than the copper sulfate, so it displaces the copper from its salt copper sulfate. Now it form iron sulfate. Next one, double displacement reaction. In case of double displacement reaction, there is exchange of ions, mutual exchange of ions takes place. During displacement reaction, a high reactive element displaced to the less reactive element or ion from its compound. It means high reactive means more powerful, will displace to the less reactive element from its compound. So, which one is the higher reactive? Potassium is the most reactive element, then sodium, then magnesium. This is a series on the basis of their reactivity. In this series, the higher reactive element is placed at the top while less reactive element placed at the bottom. So, we have seen in the video that copper sulfate is a compound when it react with the iron. Copper sulfate is blue colored solution. We can perform this activity easily. Copper sulfate is a blue colored solution, and when we put some iron nails, लोहे की कीलें इसके अंदर डाल देंगे. When we put iron nails over here, after 1 hour, 2 hour, iron displaced to the copper, and copper removed from the solution, and the solution becomes green in color. This blue color change into green color shows the representing to the displacement reaction. So, in case of the displacement reaction, higher reactive element displaced to the less reactive element. So, look over here. What is the serial? Potassium, then sodium, then calcium, then magnesium. It is the less reactivity. Which one is the higher reactive? Which is written earlier. जो पहले लिखा गया है वो ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव होगा और जो बाद में लिखा गया है वो कम रिएक्टिव होगा. एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक, आयरन, टीन, lead, hydrogen, copper. Copper comes to lower category. That's why iron can displace to the copper. And now silver, gold and platinum. You are looking over here. Silver, gold and platinum, these are the three metals. They come at the bottom in the reactivity series. बच्चों ये सबसे नीचे आते हैं, इसी वजह से सिल्वर, गोल्ड, प्लेटिनम, these are the least reactive element.
इसीलिए ये जो होते हैं ये नेचर में फ्री स्टेट में मिल जाता है। दी सिल्वर, गोल्ड एंड प्लेटिनम अकर इन फ्री स्टेट इन दी नेचर बिकॉज दीज आर लीस्ट रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स।